Hello world, today I'll be showing you how to run the SLAM algo for the Turtlebot 3 in the gazebo simulation. So first, what we'll need to do is for the Turtlebot 3 model, we'll be using the loader. And then we'll need to launch the gazebo. Okay, so this is the gazebo. Next, what we want to open is the SLAM mode. We should open the RVs. We will be export Turtlebot here. ROS SLAM Alright, so now we have the gazebo, we have the RVs. What we'll need to do next is we need to control the Turtlebot in order to do the mapping. So we'll need to run the tally up key. Exporting the Turtlebot burger. Turtlebot tally up. So what 3 tally up. There we go. So let me just rearrange the windows. Put this here. I'll move this. Keep this here. Move this here. And bring the terminal up here. So this is what you see on the gazebo. The Turtlebot here. And this is what you see on the RVs. Just arrange this. Right. Just move this too much. And I'll move this here. So what happens is, what you'll see is the Turtlebot in the gazebo simulation. But to run the SLAM algo, you will see what the robot sees, which is in the RVs. So let me just control the robot and you slowly move around this Turtlebot world. As the Turtlebot is moving, you can see that more of the map is being created. And I'm probably going to fast forward this part of the video. So enjoy while you see me map this world. Okay, so I'm back, and you can see that I've mapped the Turtlebot world quite fairly well, I believe. And once you're done, you can actually save the map that you've mapped. You just need to ROS run map server map save map. So there you go. So what happens is it will save the map, and it will be saved in your in this directory. So let's take a look. In the home directory, you can see that there's this .pdm and .yml file. So this is the map that we saved. Right? And this is the file. So that's how you will run the SLAM algo for the Turtlebot tree in Gazebo Simulation. If you want to learn more about ROS, you can click the links below in the description. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below. If you've enjoyed the video, you can give the video a thumbs up. If you're looking forward to have more videos, do hit the subscribe button. Until then, see you in the next video.